Today on the menu, Hail Caesar dressing. Start with 2 cups of sour cream. Then add a half cup of mayo. Then a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Don't forget the Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to add some garlic, some Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper, some Italian seasoning, some lemon juice, and some balsamic vinegar. You might be tempted to skip this ingredient, but don't. Trust me, add the anchovies. If you want a written recipe, check the description below. Blend your Caesar dressing well, and after it's done, it's ready to serve. Still hungry? Check out my honey balsamic meatballs.